on this well-deserved appointment. Chief Amori, as you all may be aware, is one of the founding fathers of PDP in Delta State, and he has played significant roles in the development of the party, both locally and nationally. He's not Pobone. He also served in various capacities in successive administration and has contributed immensely to the growth and development of the state. I can say without any fear of contradiction that Chief Amori is the ultimate party loyalist, a veteran administrator, and exemplary leader with an excellent track record in whatever assignment he is given. It is my pleasure to have him on board. Without doubt, his presence is a huge plus to this administration. He's a tested and trusted public administrator and politician. This administration will be counting on his political sagacity as well as his vast knowledge, wisdom, and experience in policy formulation and implementation in our mission to advance Delta State through the MORE agenda. As public servants, all our actions and utterances must support the core values of the MORE agenda, which are innovation and excellence, service and social responsibility, transparency and accountability, opportunity and freedom, and unity and respect. I expect every one of us to be guided by these principles to command the respect and support we have been called to serve. It is also my intention that all political appointees may take constant interface with their wards and whole government councils, not just coming to stay in Asaba. Go back to your ward, interface with your people in your unit, in your local government. And I believe with that, we'll be having the feelers from the people. It is your duty and responsibility to acquaint the people with the policies and programs of the administration to obtain the necessary feedback from our communities. This will enable the people to feel the impact of governance and help the administration to develop need-based programs tailored to address and aspirations. This will enable the people to feel the impact of governance and help the administration to develop need-based programs tailored to address and aspirations. We are committed to bringing the dividend of democracy to the grassroots, and all appointees are an essential part of that process. Rest assured that your performance will be closely monitored and will be used in assessing your effectiveness. During an interactive section with top government, public and civil servants, I announced my intention to open a hotline for residents to report cases of substandard jobs by contractors to my office. This is an initiative that will assist the government to ensure that government gets full value for the money spent on projects. Political appointees must take the lead in this wise by monitoring projects in their localities and advise government accordingly. Because all these projects are in your place. So if you see anything that is not good, and somebody is doing the project that you know is not up to standard, you just film it, send it. It will help us. That will save me going around the 270 words. You know it's not easy, but we'll achieve it in Jesus' name. Governance is all about teamwork, and all hands must be on deck to achieve our goal of giving our people the best, making Delta State the envy of other states in the Federation. It is gratifying to know that the world has noticed the much we have achieved in the last 19 months. We must sustain the momentum through continuous physical discipline, massive infrastructure renewal, youth development and empowerment, and stimulation of the growth of small and medium enterprises. We are determined to keep our expenditure within revenue limits and ensure judicious allocation of resources, thus fostering the right conditions for economic prosperity and sustainable development. On this note, I congratulate Chief Ighoyota Amori, PhD, once again on his appointment.
Ukodo, I really don't know where to start. But let me try and summarize to say on behalf of my family, the entire political class that me and you belong, express our thanks and appreciation to you. Our joy knows no bound. The gathering we are seeing here today is all because of what you have done. All the political hippopotamus in the state, they are gathered here today. And we are going to gather more political hippopotamus. Quite frankly, and from the very bottom of my heart, in the last 5 months or so, it has been an avalanche of honors upon honors on me. Quite honestly, I never knew you would honor me this way. And there's joy in my heart, and it's flowing like a river. I want to assure you that I will not disappoint you. See, you are sheriff, but there's a new sheriff in town. You see, the job of a chief advisor is very nebulous. I'm going to be very careful in giving you advice. Before I advise you, I will gather enough intelligence. Because your actions now will be traceable to me. If it is good, it is yours. If it is bad, it is Amori. So my own at all times is to ensure I give you good advice so that you can claim the glory all the time. I will never misadvise you. My advice will be based purely on what will benefit the state, not what will benefit me. It is very delicate, and I will ensure that I do the best I can by seeking the opinion of everybody. This political class you see here today, you are going to see more of them. I am going to go around the state to ensure all T's are crossed and all I's are dotted. You see, what you are going to see in me will be different from what you already know of me. I have come a long way with you. I started wearing your shirt when you were even a speaker. Not talk of as a governor today. They will see you in me. And I will not disappoint you. I want to sincerely thank you.